Pwede pa kasi nga ako naka-on yung mic ko. Oo. Okay. So, those are the green light. Papuntang Central Garden. Thank you. Kasi yesterday, may free ride kami. That's why it's 24 hours. So, punta kami ng garden to drop off, KL Central. Doon na kami papunta kami. Genki. Doon na kami napunta na. Hi, Sydney. So, we're gonna come off KL Central. Just having a free ride. Punta na kami na. Okay. Kami, may tuman mo. Okay. Down again, right? Yes. Go straight and go down. Yes. So if you want to come here, guys, going to Genting. So you need to go here at KL Central. And then just go straight ahead. Alam ni Sir kung saan pupunta? But first, we need to buy a ticket going there. So welcome to KL Central. Yeah, we're heading down. And we'll buy a ticket. Okay.
By step kung paano pumunta ng Genting.
Okay, may arrow doon nakalagay, Awana Genting. So,
Hindi na uso yung pagkakaroon ng private transfer. Kung gusto niyo makatipid at makagala ng
malakas
maayos.
yung mic mo dati.
Ha?
Malakas yan. Pare rin. So, just go straight ahead. Yan, counter ticket.
Mami, you make buhat your maleta. Okay.
So, ayon. Got to the counter. We need to buy a ticket over here. Yeah. And
Hi, hello, going.
So, okay guys, hello, welcome back again to our vlog. So, sasabihin namin sa inyo yung tips kung paano pumunta ng Genting, Kuala Lumpur. Genting Highlights. Ay, di ko alam kung ano yung tamang tawag doon. Basta Genting, gano'n yun. So guys, unang-una from hotel, nag-book kami ng taxi papunta doon sa half on, half off kasi may isang ticket pa kami na remaining. So from half on, half off, nagpahinto kami dito sa may Kuala Lumpur Central Terminal. Then after doon, mula sa labas, bumaba kami, bumili kami ng ticket. At saka tip lang guys, if gusto nyo pumunta ng Genting at gusto nyo makatipid, mag-book na kayo ng bus. Kasi, mura lang siya, 10 ringgit per person. So after nyo makapag-avail ng ticket o makakuha ng ticket, kailangan nyo maghintay. Merong schedule yung travel papuntang Genting. So yung nabili namin ticket, mag-start kami mag-travel around 2:30 p.m. Kung ayaw nyo maghintay ng matagal, kailangan nyo i-check yung schedule ng bus papuntang Genting sa Kuala Lumpur terminal bus schedule. Ganon. Tapos after nun, may dalawang bus. Merong Aerobus at saka merong isang bus. Kailangan nyong i-check. Tsaka take note lang guys, hindi ka basta-basta makakaupo sa loob ng bus kasi yung ticket nila dito, parang ticket ng eroplano, meron ng seat number. So hindi ka pwedeng makaupo sa pinakauna, hindi ka rin pwedeng umupo sa pinakadulo. Kailangan mo sundin yung seat number.
Unless if no one is around there.
Yes.
Walang may naka-ano.
So, pinili namin na mag-travel lang hapon kasi meron kaming binook na ticket doon sa Genting. So, yung check-in time namin doon is 2 to 3 p.m. Then, after that, kapag nandun na kami, pupunta kami ng theme park. At saka guys, kapag pupunta kayo ng Genting, kailangan nyo magdala ng maraming jacket. Kasi bali-balita, malamig yung panahon doon.
Yeah. We're gonna stay there for like 3 days. Nag-book kami ng hotel doon. So,
Yes.
really plan to visit Genting talaga.
At saka take note lang guys, kapag pupunta kayo dito, wag na wag niyong kakalimutan na ilagyan ng pera yung card nyo. Kasi hindi sila nag-a-accept ng cash. Cashless sila dito. So, ang binahin namin is by card. Halos lahat. Pag magbubo kayo ng bus or train,
Mga tickets.
yes.
Yeah. So if you have, actually there's a lot of mode of payments. You can pay by WeChat, Alipay, Apple Pay if you do have credit card and debit card. So yun.
So, i-update na lang namin kayo guys pag nakarating na kayo ng Genting.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. So. Okay. Let's go. Bob? Saan yung Bob? Okay, so here's the drop-off. Okay, so I want a Skyway. I already have the ticket, so we just need to go and get it.